That ain't bad looking. Oh yeah. It tastes pretty good. Better than the water I get from the city. We're gonna go ahead and cycle it. So we shut it off for a few moments. Oh, the generator decided it was gonna shut off as well. Huh. Flashing red. Dangerous levels of carbon monoxide. Leave immediate area. Huh. I think I'm fine here. The boss likes that it has an auto cycle system. Meaning we told him that it keeps cycling off the generator itself. He said, oh good, so you guys don't even have to turn it off for the water to cycle. Alright, we're still flashing red here. I should leave the area immediately.